Hello guys, what's up? YouTube has finally launched their dark mode on their Android app, and today I am going to tell you how can you enable it. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is open the YouTube app, then go to the top right corner in the account settings, then click the settings tab, then enter into journal. Then here you can see dark theme option. From here you can enable or disable the dark theme. Let me show you how it looks like after enabling the dark theme. Here you can see everything has turned a bit grayish, which is very useful in night, which will give very less strain on your eyes and make it easy to enjoy your videos at night. And it's look pretty cool. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more such videos.